Christian Dior, Dior. I'm up in all the stores. When it rains, it pours. She like the way I.
Diamond Squad, it's I guess Night Diamonds here, and I'm back again with another video. If this is the first time you see my face on your screen, make sure you guys go ahead and click that subscribe button, smash the like button, turn the notification on so you miss anything that I post. And last one is be part of Diamond Squad. So go back up right now and give this video a like. Make sure you guys go and watch my recent videos. I will leave them in the cards and towards the end of the video, so make sure you guys go and watch them. Also, make sure you guys go and follow me on my TikTok. So like I was saying, make sure you guys go and follow me on my TikTok. It's in the link, it's in the description box down below. And my second channel is down in the description box as well. So go subscribe to that channel if you haven't. So yeah, I did wet my hair today a little bit, and I did put like one bun instead of two. So yeah. My hair's still looking a bit short because I did wet it. But anyways, guys, I am going to be doing a makeup look. If you have me on Instagram, you would have seen what I'm talking about, because I did mention I want to do this. So I'm going to be doing this look. Wait, this is on my other phone. Oh my god, okay. So I'm going to be doing this. It looks a bit challenging to do, but a lot of if you're new to my channel, I've done like a lot of creative looks on my face before. I have a playlist that's called creative looks I've done. I will leave that playlist in the description box if you guys are interested to check that out. But I'm going to attempt to do this. So I'm gonna start off with the eyes first. I am gonna need to put some concealer, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm gonna use my Kylie Jenner concealer, which is spilling out. I don't know why or how, but I'm just gonna put it on here for now because she only has like the gold right there. Just gonna blend this in. And I know you can see the background is a little bit different, and you can see like most of my makeup on the side. But behind me, there's a lot more. And then I have a lot more. I have two right there. And then I have a couple over there. And I have more on the floor. So, a lot more on the floor. So, I'm telling you right now, what y'all seeing right now is not a lot. Because I have way more around me than this. So, just keep my heads up. And I will do, you know, my updated makeup collection video. I will. Alright, so I'm not exactly going to use the same gold she used, but I am going to use gold. So it appears that she put the gold all over the lid. So that's pretty much what I'm going to do. I'm going to go into my Juvia's Place Warrior palette. So just going to place that all over the lid. Sorry about the lighting, by the way, you guys. I'm trying to try something different with the setup. I do want to get a backdrop for my channel, but then I also like having the makeup in the background too. But it's not gonna work unless I have a tripod if I want that to show in the background. So I don't know. I don't got a tripod yet, so. Okay, so I'm just putting the gold all over the lid. And then it looks like she has like some brown. So I'm just going to go into the brown shade and just kind of dab it in there a little bit. So I found that picture on Pinterest. So I don't know exactly who this girl is, but you know, shout out to this person, you know, because this is, I got inspired from this, you know. So yeah, I hope the burn is on me. Yeah. Alright, so now that I did the easy part, I am going ahead and do the outline of the butterfly wings, which I didn't even get a brush for that either. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna do the outline that's right here first, because on this side I need to cover my eyebrows somehow. So let me just put some concealer on my hand and try to outline this. Kind of hard to do this because there's no tutorial on this. I mean, at least I didn't try to find one. But okay, that's a good outline right there. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put the concealer right in the center and just blend this out right here as best I can. And now I'm just gonna start to add the colors. Let me just blend it out as much as I can. Okay. So she started off with purple, blue, green, orange. No, green, yellow, orange, and then pink. So I am going to use my Glam Light paint palette, and that's not really quite the same purple actually. Hers might have a darker purple. Hang on a minute. I am gonna use the paint palette, but alright, so the James Charles palette, which I've been neglecting, I hardly use, has the exact purple shade that she has, which is this one. So I am going to go ahead and just add that. This is so difficult. I'm not used to this setup, you guys. Okay, let me just move this palette here. Don't need it anymore. Put the paint palette over here. Okay, so just gonna dip into that purple shade, and that looks like it's going underneath the eye. Underneath the eye. Just trying to blend this out as much as I can. And then that blue shade, is that blue shade in here? Actually, let me see. Okay, that blue shade is in the Glam Light palette. And this brush is falling apart. It's my e.l.f. brush, y'all. And like, I feel like this is such a good crease brush. And also like blends really well when you use it like this as too. But this is falling apart. I need to get another one. Alright, let me just open the Glam Light palette, go into the navy blue shade, and put that underneath. Any mistakes I did, I will like clean it up. But basically, I'm just gonna put the colors in order, and then I'll be right back. As you can see, I tried my best. I tried to line it with the black shadow, try to add some white for the dots, but it's not looking the greatest. It's not looking good. It's starting to be a fail now. But now for the other side of the eye, which I feel like it's probably going to be the most difficult part for me, I'm just gonna go ahead. I think I have so much. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on my brows, and I'm gonna even put this is the LA Girls Pro Concealer by the way. So I'm gonna just do that. So that's the best that I could do with this. Where is that brush? Okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw over my eyebrows. So started off with yellow. Yellow, then orange, then red. So I'm basically gonna just put these colors now. That's on the top. And yeah, pretty much it. Alright guys, so I tried my best. It's not exactly the same as the picture, but I did try my best. But yeah, so now I'm just basically gonna go into my Unicorn Glow palette by Faith Candy, and I'm going to use the purple called Fantasy because she does have some purple highlight going on. So she has it on her nose. If I can't even see the highlights on my nose. Here it is on my nose. So, purple highlight going on here. And then she also has it in the corners. So I'm gonna just use this brush and pop it right here. Pop it up here. And I'm gonna put some eyeliner mascara off camera. But for lips, I am gonna be using this, the Victoria's Secret Lippy. So yeah, be right back once again. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I added some purple highlight on my face as well. So yeah, let me know what y'all think. I mean, like I said, I tried. It's not as close to the picture. But yeah, so yeah, let me know what y'all think about this look. And also, I forgot to mention this in my other video. Make sure you guys go and subscribe to my cousin's channel. I will leave the link in the description box or the cards. It's gonna be either or. You might see it pop up in the cards. I'm most likely gonna put it in the cards. And yeah, so make sure you guys go and subscribe to her channel. She's new to YouTube. She's gonna be posting some more videos on her channel soon. So make sure you guys go and subscribe to her. Show her some love. You know, so yeah. That's what I wanted to say because I forgot to say yesterday. So yeah. But anyways guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, click the notification if you haven't. If you made it all the way through to the end, you're a real one, by the way. So yeah, so anyways, this was like very time consuming. It took so long for me to do this. What time is it? Yeah, it took me like an hour, about an hour. So yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, click the notification if you haven't. Follow me on my social medias is in the description box down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys next video. Bye guys.
Christian Dior, Dior. I'm up in all the stores. When it rains, it pours. She like the way I